Hello, dear viewers. Today, I want us to look at the HlookUp, which is basically similar to the Vlookup. Only the difference is, unlike the Vlookup, which performs a vertical lookup, the HlookUp performs a horizontal lookup. In my last video, we did HlookUp, and we were able to automatically find details of people in this site where I am the site manager, I am the foreman, and I had some people who came reporting they did not receive their weekly payment. So I had to use the Vlookup to be able to find the details of all these people, because there are several of them, like 20 people. And you can see I was able to find their name. Just by typing their name, I was able to find their ID, their phone number, and their total construction cost using the Vlookup function. So let's perform the HLOOKUP. I will transpose this data. So that it will be arranged in a horizontal manner instead of vertical. And then we will perform the HLOOKUP to be able to find the same data details for each worker. Remember, these are my steel fixers, these are my carpenters, these are my casual rebalance. So it is very important that I don't make a mistake. I will copy. All right. Then I'll go and open a new sheet. Then I will paste. I will transpose. Okay. This cell is genuine. Well, so let's perform the HLOOKUP. I will start with the person's name. Go to the ID number. And then telephone number. And finally, total construction cost. That is the amount whoever was supposed to receive at whichever date. So total construction at the end of that weekend, right? Because they are paid weekly. Total. Okay. You can see these are ID number. So I have a lot of names here from 1 to about 118. So the name. So this one will be equals to HLOOKUP comma, that is the parenthesis, opening parenthesis. My lookup value is whatever will be here, whichever name will be there. And then my table array is the range, horizontal range containing all these names from number 1 to number 118. That is from monthly to weekly. Am I right? up to here. Then I'll go back, down. Okay. Oops, I forgot to put a comma. So I'm gonna have to delete this. No, it was okay. So you have to put that comma, then the range containing all these names from Martin to weekly. Okay, then I'll go back, but I can add my comma. And then now the row table index. We want the row containing our ID number. Now remember our table range. No, that is not our table range. Our table range should be the entire table. Okay? So our table range should be the entire of this table. So that is not supposed to be just the name, but the entire table. From the first row to the last, from the first column to the last. Right? Okay, then I'll go back, drag back. I put, now you can see, let me add that comma. Now the row index. The row index, we want the ID number. That is basically on which row? It is on row 1, 2, because from our table range, it's on row 2, right? So I'll put 2. And then the lookup value should be exact match, not approximate match. That is false. And enter. Now, it is not applicable because we have not input any name. All right. So, for example, let me put the name of Martin. Martin Gikungu. Gikungu. Okay. Let me try John Kamau. John Kamau. Okay, it should be returning that value. Maybe the issue of this name is because, yeah, it's having a space. If you can see this name, there is a space, so I should delete that space. Maybe let's see if it will return a value. Martin Gikungu. Yeah, it's now returning a value. And let's now create our drop-down list, right? To create our drop-down list, we said you go here and validation, data validation, list. Click here, then now my data is the entire of this row of names from Martin to weekly. I'll create a drop-down list so that I can just change the name. It will give me the data automatically. And then enter, and then okay. Then let's go back. Okay. Now you can see I can just change to Nancy Mudoni to give me the ID. Now here I will do the same thing. Right? I can just copy this formula copy. Remember I showed you how we do this. So here I will just change the row of the phone number to be row 3. Okay, so that it will give me now the telephone number, now not the ID number, right? So if I change this one to number 1 to Martin, you can see clearly Martin's phone number is 0711. Now the construction cost, I will just again paste the formula here, but I will edit my total construction cost is in which row? 1 from these table array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So now we will be the table array will be 15. Remember, it's the same thing with the Vlookup, okay? Or just maybe not to confuse. Let's do this one manually again. HlookUp, opening parentheses, lookup value. My lookup value is whatever is here. Remember that, comma. Then my table array is the entire of this table, from the first row to the last, from the first column to the last. So I will drag to the end. From Martin to P. Then I will go back to add that comma, comma. My index row was 15. Remember that? And my lookup, my range lookup is not the approximate match. I want the exact match. So I will put false, not 2. And enter. You can see Martin was supposed to receive 14,000. If we put maybe if I copy this name, you don't know how much supposed to receive, but we don't know his ID, we don't know everything, and this thing is all stressed up. Go looking at it, right? So I will just here I can just paste the name. You can see this guy was supposed to receive 7,000. His ID is 30. His telephone number is starting with 07. That is at the side and G. So you can see every time you enter his person name, you will find all his data. You can even include the area of operation. Let's say I include the area of operation because I'm the foreman. All right. So I will just paste the formula. Should be equals to HLOOKUP, comma. Lookup value is whatever name is here, comma. Table array is my entire table. Okay, now then another comma. We want area of operation that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is number 5. Then false. And the capital small closing parenthesis is why I was working in column align and column setting. So every time you input somebody's names here, or every time, let's see Martin Gipungu is security. Benson Maingi, He has no area of operation. Margaret was removing drips and is supposed to receive 100. I don't know, it did not report that which day, And then Geoffrey Minor, casting of boundary wall on one bedroom, blah 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 blah, etc. etc. That is how we use the HLOOKUP function in Excel. It's basically the same as VLOOKUP, only this time we are looking for horizontally arranged table. If you like my video, please consider to subscribe. I will see you in another video. Thank you.